Hello, I want to show you how to use real-time GI for interior lighting. This is a simple interior to help you quickly bake your scene. First of all, create a new profile. Okay. Clear light map data. As you can see, we have very normal light mapped scene. First, you must drag your volume profile here and use sky type for light mapping. This will affect your scene as a light map when during light map. Okay, from here switch to real-time GI, light type real-time. Use always very low preset. The quality is not too much different, but the bake time is 10 times faster. Your model must be static. Now we have real-time GI. As you can see here, you can control indirect intensity of your sun. Here you can control the sky light global illumination. Here you can control global diffuse GI intensity. Also you can bake use emission for this light type as baked. No, I'm sorry, you must use real time. Must be static. As you can see, we have a bit GI. Okay. This is your smoothness mask map from alpha channel. Direct this mask map here, your smoothness. No, this is you must add alpha channel as a mask map. I'm sorry. HDRP use. Alpha channel as a mask map. You must save as a PSD or TGA to save the alpha channel. I'm sorry for the what happens. Okay, don't want to work. Watch my other videos about how to use light mask map. Currently it does not work, so I don't know why. Okay, now you can easily move the sun, customize color. Sun indirect, sun intensity. Okay. I hope this video be useful for you to learn how to use real-time